In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a random percentage in Excel. We'll go from a blank cell to a clean percentage you can use in a report, simulation, or quick demo, using a simple built-in function and a formatting tweak. Start by clicking the cell where you want the percentage to appear. It can be anywhere on your worksheet. Choosing a clear spot will make it easier to see the result. Now type the formula exactly like this, equals RAND, then an opening parenthesis and a closing parenthesis. In other words, type rand. This function tells Excel to generate a random decimal number that's at least 0 and less than 1. Press Enter to confirm the formula. You'll see a value such as 0.274 or 0.81. That's expected. Rand returns a decimal. Each time the worksheet recalculates, that value will change, giving you a fresh random result. So if you notice the number shifting after edits, that's by design. To turn that decimal into a readable percentage, format the cell as a percentage. With the cell still selected, go to the number formatting options and choose percentage. Instantly, the display will switch from a decimal to something like 27% or 81%. Nothing about the underlying value changes. You're simply viewing it as a percent, which is exactly what we need. Depending on your version of Excel, you'll find this in the Home Ribbon's number group, often shown as a percent button, or listed in the Format drop-down as percentage. If you see something labeled Numbers or Number, that's the same area where you control how values are displayed. If you want more or fewer decimal places in the display, adjust the percentage precision so it shows the right level of detail for your use case. For example, 27.4% may be more informative than 27% when you're modeling. A quick note about behavior. Since RAND produces a new random value whenever Excel recalculates, treat this as a live, changing percentage. That's great for simulations and scenarios. If you ever need the number to stop changing, convert it to a fixed value before sharing or saving the final output. And that's it. You clicked the target cell, entered the RAND function with parentheses, pressed Enter, and then formatted the result as a percentage. You now have a simple, repeatable way to generate a random percentage in Excel whenever you need one. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay these steps the next time you're building a model, testing formulas, or just exploring what Excel can do.